guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about Omorfee's Lip Lightening Salve and the Lip Lightening Scrub from Omorfee. So Omorfee sells their 100% biodegradable, recyclable packaging. As you can see, it is definitely bamboo packaging, which is totally awesome. And actually, it's really good for traveling. And I think a great thing about this company is they also do a You Buy, We Plant initiative. So every time you buy a product, they do plant trees, which is awesome. So now the lip scrub is going to remove dead and dry skin while the salve intensely hydrates the lips. This is what the scrub looks like on the inside. When you do the lip scrub, it's like any other lip scrub. You're gonna take it, you're gonna put it over the lip. So the lip scrub, you wanna rub it into the lips gently in small, brisk circular motions. Do so for about 30 to 45 seconds. This, once again, is going to remove any dead, dry skin on the lips. It also does help to lighten parts of your lip that has been darkened due to smoking. Then you want to wipe the scrub with a wet tissue or a cotton round. And you are going to follow up with Omorfee's Lip Lightening Salve. The Lip Lightening Salve, it helps to hydrate the lips. Now you definitely want to use the lip scrub and the lip salve together as a regimen for your lips. For the lip scrub, you want to use it 2 to 3 times a week, followed by the lip salve, and the lip salve you want to use 2 to 3 times a day. If you're interested in either the lip scrub or the lip salve from Omorfee, then definitely go ahead and click the link below so you can get yours today.